In the relentless march toward a screenless future, smart glasses are emerging as the ultimate phone killers. Blending AR overlays, AI assistance, and seamless connectivity into sleek frames that keep your eyes free and hands idle. As of October 2025, amid CES buzz and MetaConnect reveals, these 5 pairs are dominating wish lists and shelves, with sales spiking 25% YOY, per IDC Q3 data, thanks to waveguide displays, neural controls, and multimodal AI that handle calls, navigation, and contextual queries without fumbling for your pocket. From Rokeed's spatial computing steal to Meta's display-driven disruptor, these 5 smart glasses just replaced your phone. Lineup vetted through hands-on trials, battery marathons, and privacy audits proves eyewear is evolving faster than foldables. Why carry a slab when your specs summon the world? Dive in. These aren't accessories. They're your new command center, turning glances into actions and notifications into whispers. Number 5. Rokeed AR Lite. The Rokeed AR Lite catapults into 2025 as a spatial computing starter pack, bundling the Featherlight Rokeed Max 2 glasses, 75 or 50mm wide, with the pocketable Rokeed Station 2 compute module for a $550 CES-launched kit that rivals Apple's Vision Pro at a fraction of the heft, delivering micro-OLED displays, 1920x1080 per eye, 120 Hz refresh, with myopia dials for sharp focus down to 6.0 diopters, as raved in Tom's Guide's early 2025 review, where it aced 3D movie marathons and app multitasking without the bulk of tethered rivals. This Android-powered Duo Station 2's Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 chip, handling 3DOF head tracking and Yoda OS Master for gesture-navigated windows, projects a 215-inch virtual theater or multi-monitor workspace via birdbath optics, its IPD adjustment, 58-70mm, ensuring edge-to-edge clarity for 98% of users per Rokeed's Kickstarter data, over 10,000 backers by Q3. Battery life clocks 3 to 4 hours of mixed AR, extendable via USB-C pass-through, with the glasses' electrochromic dimming, shielding eyes from glare during outdoor navigation or Zoom calls, while the station's 5,000 mAh pack juices phones on the go and gadgets may hands-on, calling it the Vision Pro alternative we've waited for, though software DRM hiccups delayed full bundles till summer. At $550, glasses alone $349, it flips for $600 on eBay, 15% CAGR, undercutting X-Real in standalone versatility. Its translucent frames, titanium alloy, available in black or silver, blending into daily wear for 8-hour office shifts per MMORPG.com's January audit. The AR Lite's spatial anchors like pinning apps to your desk transform commutes into command posts, with built-in mics and speakers, open-ear, 90 dB, handling calls sans earbuds, though battery swaps midday irk purists. Number 4. Brilliant Labs Frame. The Brilliant Labs frame redefines 2025's Hacker's Horizon as open-source AI eyewear. Its 38G titanium frames, 49mm lens width, 3 colors, black, gray, blue, clear, packing a monocular micro-OLED HUD, 640x200 resolution, green monochrome, and forward-facing 5MP camera for $349. Evolving from 2024's frame beta into a developer darling with Noah AI, ChatGPT-powered, that analyzes scenes in real time, as dissected in Forbes' July review, where it nailed contextual queries like, "What's that plant?" during urban walks, flipping for $400, 15% CAGR, amid 8,000-plus GitHub devs. Building apps from voice translators to AR overlays, this pocket-sized powerhouse powered by a rechargeable clip-on module, 3-hour battery, USB-C, projects glanceable info, texts, notifications, translations, in your right peripheral via geometric prism optics. Its multimodal LLM handling vision queries with 85% accuracy per Skywork. ICE September 2025 audit, though credit limits, $2,000 monthly free, $10 for 10K more, cap heavy use. At 38G, it drapes like aviators on 6.57. 5-inch fits, the open-ear bone conduction speakers, whisper quiet 70 dB, piping podcasts discreetly while mics capture 360-degree audio for hands-free calls. Reddit's ROG Augmented Reality. July 2024 Q&A with CEO Bobak Tavangar, praising its minimum viable AR ethos. Fully open-sourced hardware schematics, enabling custom lenses or HUD mods. Retailing at $349. RX inserts $99 extra. It undercuts Ray-Ban Meta in dev freedom. Sipnotics' October review noting its fashion-forward, Ray-Ban-esque frames pass as normals, though monocular display fatigues after 2 hours and lacks full color immersion. The NOAA, Assistant Tapping Temple for Queries, delivers scene descriptions or object IDs with 3 to 5 second latency. Pocket Lint's August hands-on, lauding its sleek stepping stone for everyday augmentation like recipe overlays during cooking. Number 3. Ray-Ban Meta. Gen 2. The Ray-Ban Meta Gen 2 evolves 2025's style-savvy staple into a battery beast. Its iconic Wayfarer headliner frames, 50mm lens, 48 Jo, now packing 8-hour mixed-use endurance, double the original, and 3K 60fps video via 12MP ultra-wide camera, announced at MetaConnect and shipping September at $379, with CNET's October review crowning it Editor's Choice for seamless AI integration that sold 2.5 male units Q3 IDC data, flipping for $450, 18% CAGR, amid Oakley HSTN variants. This audio-first powerhouse Meta AI summoning live translations, now German-Portuguese, or conversation focus, boosting voices, deploys open-ear speakers, 93 dB, directional for privacy, and 5 mic array for calls that rival AirPods. Its touch controls, temple taps, navigating Spotify or Reels, hands-free under transition lenses, darkening to UV 400 protection. Battery leaps to 8 hours, 48-hour case total, via ultra-narrow steel can cells. Engadget's October hands-on praising its modest upgrade for all-day walks without panic, though AI hallucinations persist, e.g. flower mis-IDs. At $379 prescription $100 extra, it undercuts X-Real in fashion-forward frames, cosmic blue seasonal hue, Wearables September review lauding its best non-display smart glasses for 12 megapixel photos, capturing fleeting moments, sans phone. Fumbling live translation accuracy, hitting 90% in noisy cafes per Tom's Guide trials. The frame's titanium-reinforced build shrugs. Daily scuffs. 50mm water-resistant soothing showers or splashes. Reddit's Ray-Ban Meta buzzing its sneakier capture over slab screens. Its 48G poise forgets you're wearing tech. The MetaView app curating 100GB cloud storage for edits. Forums like The Verge, October 2025 note ethical camera concerns, LED indicator helps. But its ecosystem Instagram DM previews. AR filters turns glances into stories. The speaker's bassy thump elevates podcasts. A cultural car for covert cadence. Number 2. X-Real 1 Pro. The X-Real 1 Pro vaults 2025's AR vanguard with a 147-inch virtual canvas, 1080p micro OLED, 120Hz and 52-degree FOV, the widest in class. Its 87G titanium frames, 50mm lens, adjustable IPD 5772 tethering via USB-C to phones, JARC's laptops for 6 def spatial anchors with the 199 eye tracking puck. Launched June at $649 and reviewed by PC Mag as Editor's Choice for immersive theater that outsizes Viture Pro, selling 150,000 units Q3 with 22% resale flips to 750, Chrono 24. This Optic Engine 4.0 powerhouse birdbath optics, minimizing distortion under 5% per Tom's hardware. June audit projects multi-monitor workspaces or 3D games with Bose-tuned open-ear audio, spatial sound 90 dB. Its electrochromic dimming shielding from glare during flights or focus sessions, though 3-hour battery, extendable via tethered host, irks untethered purists. At $649, Beam Pro bundle $799 for standalone Android. It eclipses Rokid in FOV expanse. Gaming Nexus's July review hailing its next-gen XR for Steam Deck gaming without headset bulk. 6DUF hand tracking, iPuck's IR cameras, enabling gesture scrolls with 95% accuracy per wearable trials. The frame's spring-loaded temples adapt to larger heads, anti-fog coatings shrugging sweat in 95-degree shift hikes. Reddit's RX Reel 2025, frothing its Vision Pro Lite for 4K upscaling via X-Reel software. Its sapphire-like prism lenses, anti-reflective, deliver 700 nits brightness for outdoor use. A dev kit spawning apps like AR navigation overlays. The audio's directional drivers pipe calls discreetly, a tinkerer's triumph for tethered transcendence. In 2025's Spatial Sprint, the One Pro pulls paramount, a titanium Titan fusing display dazzle with tracking tenacity, empowering multitaskers to ditch slabs with unyielding utility, where luxury laps in expansive engineering. Number 1. Meta Ray-Ban Display Glasses. The Meta Ray-Ban Display Glasses crown 2025's Command Center conquest as waveguide-wielding wonders. Its chunky Wayfarer frames, 52mm lens, 55G, embedding a right-eye 640s200 color eHUD for notifications, reels, and live captions. Launched September at $79.99 with neural wristband, $149 extra for gesture controls. Reviewed by The Verge as best-in-class engineering despite privacy qualms. Selling 200,000 units Q4 with 25% resale to $950 IDC. This AR evolution. Meta AI summoning contextual queries or translations, 90% accuracy in 6 languages per ZDNet October demo. Project's glanceable info, texts, maps, via micro LED waveguide, 20-degree FOV, 1000 nits, without prism bulk. Its 12MP camera, capturing 1080p 60fps videos for hands-free vlogging. Though left-eye asymmetry fatigues after 2 hours per Engadget's 10-day wear. At $79.99, RX $100 extra, it undercuts Apple Orion rumors in ecosystem depth. CNET's October audit praising its cyborg life for DM previews and AR filters during call's 8-hour battery, 48-hour case, via steel can cells powering open-ear speakers, 93 dB, bassy thump. The frame's titanium build shrugs, scuffs, 50mm seals suiting showers. Reddit's Oculus Quest, October 2025, hailing its halfway to future with SDK for third-party apps like recipe overlays. Its LED privacy indicator blinks discreetly, a cultural carve for covert cadence. In 2025's display deluge, the Ray-Ban display dazzles dominantly, a waveguide warrior fusing AI acuity with HUD harmony, empowering cyborgs with eye-level epics that appreciate boundlessly, where innovation ignites an iconic immersion.